Hello and welcome everyone to our AMA from Eontribe. Here is Vladimir, our founder and CEO. Vladimir, can you hear me?
Yeah. Hello. Can you hear me? Everything fine, I hope?
Yep. So please meet again, Vladimir. So guys, please, if you are here and you are ready to rock, just type a plus in the comments and we'll know that you are here. Today we have some changes. So today we're streaming in YouTube and Twitter. So we are able to see your comments in live, we can say, without any other issues. So, Vladimir, we prepared the questions from the last time. People didn't have time to know the answers, so I propose to start from that, if you don't mind.
Sure. Any questions as usual?
Great. So let's start from the first one. What are the long-term sustainability plans have you implemented to keep Eontribe ecosystems sustainable for the long time run?
Okay. So the question is not something I can't answer, but let me think in the best way to explain the strategy. So, as I said last time, we have, let's say, three generation of deliverables and functional like features, let's say core features. We would like to deliver year by year, let's say. So as you know, the first what we have right now, and it will be released like next days, week, couple of weeks. Perhaps it depends more about right now about the speed, how fast we will pass the listing of the application on Apple Store, because it could take 3 days, could take 3 weeks. But anyways, diapason of such dates. So in this first generation will be social network AI matching system based on your personal mind and behavior. Plus also everything, it's not from the first day, everything else. From its the first day, as I said, like next days, weeks. Then in next release, but the same version, it will be, I don't know, months, couple months, 3 months periods. So we will add everything related to the NFTs to let users have their balance with NFTs, kind of crypto assets they would like to use, because anyway, it's MetaMask based content. But this content, if you talk about NFTs, will be shown in their social network accounts. They will be able to send them through messages, make as a gifts. We will add NFT marketplace to make easier the process of usage of such NFTs, any kind of NFTs. It's not only images. It could be music, could be game content, anything. Or through the social network part. So it's first part. Second part will be more about, and it will be, I hope, also fast, but somewhere 8-9 months after first version. So means somewhere next summer, perhaps autumn, somewhere. So that technology is related to the Meta website part. It means that you will be able to use the application and website not only just in standard format when you have just images, texts, but also in the format of virtual reality on through browser. So like any, I don't know, games format, but with full HD quality avatars, which will react on your emotions. So you will be able to have live calls, conferences, and meetings online in metaverse, but without real camera usage. The camera will capture only your mimics and, I don't know, lips, eyes, movements, but the avatar will be in 3D, so it will be much easier to use through mobile internet, because it will use much more or less gigabytes, megabytes of internet from one side. From another side means we'll be able to add much more participants in group calls. And the most interesting is that if even you're offline, this avatar will be always there. You will be able to train them, do something, talk with guests on your pages. Can't say too much about this process, but it will be like the second generation of activities. Besides that, everyone will have his own 3D room. Perhaps we will also, at the same time, we will start the core environment where there will be some kind of stores, places where you'll be able to play kind of games, card games, I don't know, different kind. As I said, also we will let third parties integrate their own games by using SDK and API we will create to let them publish their third-party application and connect to the network and your wallets and your balances. It's second stage. And the third stage, for now, it's the most challenging to deliver because it's not only related on us, but also the world adoption. It's the stage of the new blockchain. We will connect directly to the application. This blockchain will be based on the story that mining will be based on providing available storage to let blockchain users store their files, any kind of files, inside the blockchain itself, not as it works right now with regular NFTs through IPFS mostly. When on smart contract you have only the link on the place where or regular servers this data is stored, but it will be real decentralized storage directly connected to the blockchain, inside the blockchain. So it means the real access to the files will have the same security level as the smart contracts itself. It's from one side. From another side, regarding that anyway, we would like to do and let people do everything on this application through the phones without any extra devices because it's uncomfortable usually. So you can, as I said, like face scan, applications, a blockchain wallet, and the storage. Anyway, it will be decentralized, but it seems that within a couple of years, everyone who provide around, I don't know, 40 gigabytes of available memory, they will be able to mine to another phone. Not the most expensive one, but at least, it will be available. Why we need it? Because anyway, this platform will work a lot with different kind of NFTs, personalized data, something what is really could be sensitive because you will train your AI here, right? And to let this AI bring you the best results, it would be better to be honest, right? But it could bring the situation that it could be risky because a lot of sensitive personal data you wouldn't share somewhere and store somewhere on third-party websites, servers, and something like that. But in this way, it will be 100% secured, impossible to hack if only you give the password of your main wallet to someone. It's hard even to do because we can't remember, this 32 digits password. So it's secured enough to let you be sure that no one will have an access to your sensitive data. You will have everything is needed to do as gamification, as perhaps business work, because as I said, this AI previously I told like last session that this AI could be used as for business needs, as for, I don't know, friends, girlfriends, search, or nurses, or nanny sitters, or I don't know, doesn't matter, whatever you would like to use. That's the 3 stages, and that's, I guess, the plain, like, good enough answer for the process. And for sure, always we will improve, upgrade, improve, spread capabilities, spread features, partners, because as I said, there's a lot of third-party applications which would like to be joined to the core system and let users use their third-party services or games or, I don't know, kind of anything. So that's the plan.
That's really impressive, I can say. So, guys, let's dive a bit into the AI, the questions related to AI. So, the next one is how does Eontribe ensure the security and privacy of user data in the context of AI-driven features and crypto-related interactions?
I just touch the point. So Sorry, I'm in Dubai right now. A little bit noise from not the noise. It's like praying from the churches locals. Like the time right now, it's 7:13. So yeah, sorry for that. But as I said, once again, on the test period, like next short period of time, perhaps somewhere not all the data will be stored on blockchain because it takes time. But as soon as we will let use and inform users that we just integrated and all this data is stored on blockchain, now no any chances to hack it. If even someone try, they need to hack Bitcoin blockchain, not Bitcoin, but let's say, okay, in our case, kind of Ethereum blockchain or Binance Smart Chain. But as I said, I'm not so sure enough that at least Ethereum itself and Binance itself have some options. They can stop blockchain, they can do something. But if it will be realistically developed as Bitcoin kind of blockchain, where all the data will be distributedly stored on a lot of mobile phones worldwide, I can't imagine who should to do and what to have enough power to get some information from such kind of decentralization.
That's pretty informative. So, guys, you can be sure that Eontribe platform and ecosystem is pretty secure, and no one is going to steal any of your data. So let's move to the next question. And I want to mention that we have some live chat in our YouTube channel. So the the bells is right. The writing that all you say it's pretty informative. That we are thankful for that. So let's move to another question. Vladimir, what do you do to ensure all the groups of people can trust your application and your project?
Okay, so if you talk about some professionals from the sphere, they can go through the public information about the core technologies, and it would more than enough for them to understand these parts. If you talk about the blockchain side, uh, we will use professional auditors. Usually, it's for all smart contracts. I mean, usually it's Haken and Certic, the most famous worldwide, two of them. So anyway, we'll have all the certificates for all kind of smart contracts will be available for the users for their each they use. I mean, like to create kind of NFTs, data, I don't know, kind of relations on the platform. Um, for the blockchain itself, it's always public. It means it will be all the source code will be published on GitHub, so it will be open source, so anyone can be everyone will have an access. We will for sure stimulate and create some awards for the testers or hackers who will find any issues on the platform. So everything as any normal company doing, we will do the same. On internal level means we talk anyway about the people who will develop it. We have our short listed team for now. For sure, it will be the spread of the team members day by day. So we will use standardizations, like ISO standardizations, to work to integrate them inside the team and be sure that there is no any option. The data will comes out and some bad codes could comes to the source code. Anyway, the fact is that the centralized part of the code, I mean, like the website, all these parts, front end, will not. This part will have not real value. I mean, financial value for the hackers because everything anyway will be connected to your real wallets, the smart contracts, and even privacy details will be available only through smart contracts, not from the first day, as I said, but in the short period of time. So the value to hack it, not too much reason. Perhaps they can drop the site. Okay, sorry, sometimes it could happen with a new projects, and in a couple hours we will make it live again. But as soon as we will have enough money to rent enough servers to be sure that if even it will be some big attacks on the servers with website, uh, it will be not a problem to just be always alive. That's it. So it's only the question of a little bit money and the right structure of professionals and standardization on each stage as during the live work of the codes on the servers or in blockchain as inside the team to be sure that no malware or something will be added on the development stage.
Thank you, Vladimir. I think that this answer will cover all the questions we have about the security part. So I would like to remind our community that you are able to join Eontribe just right now. Just scan the QR code you can see above here and join Eontribe and explore our platform. So, and we are moving to the next question. Okay, Vladimir? Okay, so it's a pretty big one. What are the most highlighted features in your platform that you can make it stand out in the market? Is Eontribe open for beginners or only crypto experts?
So, starting from the last part of the question, this project and platform and social network at the end was designed not for the crypto experts. It was designed for everyone, anyone, starting from my granny till any new kids from somewhere. Crypto and blockchain here just to serve your each day needs, to be sure that you will not be catched by some scammers, cheaters, or some guys who do some unfair things. From another side, it's always nice to have all your like digital assets in NFT format. Doesn't matter it's games or some music or something like that, because you will have the real ownership. Because right now, everything we have online, and if it's not in NFT format, it means you are not the real owner. You just pay for something, get nothing, you can just use it, but no real ownership. That's why it will be cool to have real ownership for different assets, different ideas you can create and tokenize in NFT format. It's first part. About highlighted features, outstanding, yeah, about outstanding, like why we think that it could kill the market. um, the truth is again that we realistically reinvent the way how people will interconnect through internet. Not only through internet, but first of all in internet. Right now, when you try to find someone, you need to check some websites, go through a lot of pages, read information about each person, then you should to talk with them, and then only you can understand how this person could be fitting for you, right? It's the only one way. Let's say you are looking for, okay, super easy question for everyone, right? I told so everyone looking for girlfriend, boyfriend, or friends, right? So right now, if you would like to find some friend, let's say Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, doesn't matter, any social network, uh, mm, you should enter the search in search some keywords, some, I don't know, hashtags. Then you have kind of accounts. Then you should to specify it with location, something like that, and then you have the list. Let's say from one city. Let's imagine it's not super small city. Let's say you have 10,000 different person who fit the search results. What to do next? And let's say you're looking for the girlfriend. How you can understand first of all this lady or boyfriend? Let's say boyfriend. You're looking for the boyfriend. Yeah. How you can understand that this man have no relations right now? You wouldn't be crazy to write everyone. You have 10,000. You should to write everyone. No. Perhaps you have some face control. Okay, let's say some kind of your style of person, not your style. You like the style you like. So anyway, it takes so much time. Then you should write the messages. Then you should also know, and everyone know, that the things we write in social networks really sometimes far away from the real behavior, real understanding about the person, who is she or he. uh, that's the realistic problem. In our platform, in Eontribe, this AI will absorb everything about you, not from the first day, but day by day. It will be more specific, more like much more near to your realistic behavior and the way how you make your choice. And same other people, right? So the day when you will create the search that you're looking for the, I don't know, the friend to go to mountains or to swim kayaking. I don't know, it's like small boat, I don't know, in the river, and you need second person. It's hard to find, right? And especially you travel somewhere. How to do this? Right now, you can perhaps visit some special forums and search these people there. But on the Eontribe, if you is there, you just need to write that I'm looking for someone to go to kayaking this period of time, daytime, I don't know, some details. And if there is anyone who also looking for the same things and your searches are fitting, means you're looking for such kind of person to do something, and this person also looking for the same kind of people who you are. He's looking at you, right, at the end, right? You will get the best match results, and then you will talk only with those people who not only fit in your interests, but is the most important and make the core difference with all other platforms available right now in the market. It's that when you're looking for someone, you know that this someone is also have an interest to you and to and have meeting interests with your interests. That's the core why people will migrate from somewhere to this platform, because it's the only one way when you can be sure that the top list, from your search results will have a real interest, talk to you, and solve the issue, question, needs you have right now, because you also provide them what they're looking for. That's the strategy. And it's immediately, because the platform have a knowledge about everything people looking for online. You have request, you're looking for the girlfriend, friend to play football, you need nanny sitter, you need I don't know, to sell your bike, but for someone who really love, for example, special kind, I don't know, mountain bike, I don't know, downhill style. And all the people in the world have different needs always, and system know about it. So the moment there is some fits or a lot of fit, like let's say a lot of people, like 10 who can fit your current interest, you have the list of these 10 at the beginning, and then only all others as a search result. And these people also will have you in the first list who can fit them, because the fitting comes not only based on the search but also on the personal behavior, because we created some kind of psychology tests which will let also understand your type of person, like your behavior, mental mindset, everything. And there is some methodologies. It's not something we create for sure. We use from the official, let's say, best practices. And it's also try to fit the people not only based on their interest and the current searches, but also on their personal behavior. So it means it's also will be the person you would like to talk, and it will be comfortable for you, beside everything I just described.
Great, thanks. And I have an addition question from our community that just someone typed in the private messages. What about, we can say, the location? Will I be able to find people who live in the other country?
Yeah, so the truth is, as I said, for the AI search at the end, which will operate with your requests to the metaverse, let's say, because it's not metaverse, it's real people from the real world. It will be no big difference where from these people could fit each other. Because for the robots inside, no difference which language you use to create your request. Let's say if I write, I'm looking for the friend to play Counter-Strike, another person write on another language. Je cherchais en français quelqu'un to, I don't know how to say it in French, but I know a little bit. But anyway, for the robot at the end, it's just zeros, 1 0 1 0 1. I mean, like source code, machine code. And for them, no, for the AI, will be no difference in the language size. But also for sure, to make after you will fit each other, we will let users use auto translate and to see the messages his own or her own language. That's the plan. But if you specify that you're looking only who can speak, let's say, I don't know, Spanish, for example, you will get results from Mexico, Spain, some countries from Africa, I guess, somewhere else, I don't know. And all the people who speak Spanish in other countries. No big, not big challenge. But the most important is that you will finally get an access to everyone on this planet. And if only one person on the planet fit in your search and you fit in this person, the God created both of you to meet, yeah, right? It's the first time ever it's really possible to meet each other. Because how it works right now, we have our, I don't know, friends in school, I don't know, work, kind of traveling a little period of time, but our real environment where we can create something, talk to someone, understand who is she or who is he, how to get something beneficial for both of us, or at least for one of you from this meeting, almost unreal. Perhaps you will talk to, I don't know, a few 100,000 people in the world within all your life. All other people you'll never touch in any case. But perhaps the best people you should to spend your life are from another 7,999,000,000 people on the planet. Not in this 200,000 who was near with you when you're born, or when you travel or work. And here it will be available.
Great. Thanks a lot for your answer. And I wanted to remind our community that we are having something special for this AMA. The last time people didn't guess how many times did you say bounty. That's why we decided to postpone it a bit for this AMA. So today I just wanted to remind that our community is counting how many times would you say Eon. Yeah.
It's challenging tasks,
Yeah.
Okay, I will try to do it less than.
All the information can be found in our Telegram official chat and our Telegram official group. So QR code is here. And let's move to another.
I can see the chat, the question from the chat right now. Reminds me of dating sites. How do you different from the existing services? Super easy answer. Right now, on dating sites, when you try to find someone, first of all, you are limited with your location. But okay, let's imagine there are no limits with location. It's easy. It's really easy. It's just the settings on their side. But if you talk about the real needs, that's the core point. As I said, in social networks, people do not write real something too much, especially on the dating websites. On dating websites, everyone is super nice. Everyone is, I don't know, rich businessman and super polite lady. But the truth is that for the something real, where for the real meeting, where from you will get real inspiration, real satisfaction, and real engagement and love, perhaps, right? It's better, and for sure it's important, when everyone will start their connection and this matching will works on the real data. Because also we all know that a lot of ladies who offer some services working through such websites, and they make a lot of problems for the men who would like to find the real lady to get married at the end, right? And the opposite, for sure, some men looking just for some, one night meeting. It's also not fitting good for all those people who are looking for long-term relations. From another side, it also these people who are looking, let's say, this man looking for the lady for one night, lady looking for the man for some other needs, right? They also should to spend a lot of time to find and qualify, let's say, leads, because for the business it's the same process. And right now, because of these problems, a lot of people have special feelings about all these dating websites and all this stuff, right? But if you will let people, by using AI, do all this pre-screening immediately with AI, it at least speed up the process a lot. From another side, your AI will have this first short introduction, always with all available men and lady on the platform who could feed your plus minus, characteristics you just described. And what is the most important, it's usually always the problem to start the conversation, right? Because people could be shy or don't know where from we should start. But if AI really know your behavior and your lady behavior, I hope, yeah, it's minor. Okay, let's imagine, doesn't matter. When it happens and you get best results, it's so easy to start because you are so fitting, and on the AI level of your copies, you already fell in love. Just both of you don't know about this. But with AI, or not fell in love, or perhaps you just find exact what you're looking for, I don't know, some specific needs for both of you, right? So it will make easier, much more easier for everyone to find exact what they're looking for. It will save a lot of time for all these calls, because just imagine you need to find the wife. You need 1,000 calls to shortlist 3 to have datings, and then only it comes. It's a lot of time, right? A lot of people have a lot of businesses, works, and other, activities to do. And instead of spend 100,000, okay, let's say hundreds hours on the platform just chatting to understand that this lady is far away I'm looking for, or this man is far away I'm looking for, all this process will be cut out. And what is nice for us, that AI, it's our IP, intellectual property, and all other companies couldn't just copy it. And that's the key for competition for us with dating sites. Hope I answered. Perhaps you have something else, chat, please.
Thank you. Thank you. We've got also one, we can say, a bit sensitive and naughty question. What about the personal content and interest? Will be anything like adult content?
We will not let cross the local laws based on the country's laws. So all public content will be regulated based on local rules for any country where from it comes. And it means for each user. If, for example, you are originally from Dubai, you have the rules from Dubai. If you're originally from, I don't know, Saudi Arabia, from Saudi Arabia. If you are from Ukraine or Spain, you have, or US or China, you will have only available functionalities and kind of content this government let you and let us show for you. So everything else will be just hidden. That's it. So, and for sure it will be age regulation and all this stuff as anywhere. From another side, it could be available also for adults, some extra features, kind of NFTs. I don't know, why not? Why not? Sometimes it's also better than it's another story, right? But adult content could be available, but for adults.
I would say it's
Only.
a burning question now.
Yeah, and we will find a way how to regulate it because it's sensitive. We wouldn't fight with governments. This product for fair person from fair people, for the fair people, but to let them avoid any problematics without any extra efforts. But yes, for sure, if there will be some specific people who would like to sell some content through private messages, it's private messages. We have no idea what will be in these private messages. That's the fact.
Great.
So, but
Thanks.
if you talk about public content, if even it's NFT listed on your page, but if this NFT have the adult mark with it, it will be hidden the image itself from the users who can't see it based on some moralities or something like that.
Great, thanks. Now I think it's time to our listeners to listen a bit careful, since our next question is about really specific, we can say, topic. So, will EONs be tradable in the market system?
Eon, it means the utility tokens which we think and we will have a plan to publish. Yes, for sure, because it's anyway will be connected to the blockchain, as I told you. So anyway, we will connect it. It will be perhaps some way in the way how Binance did it. But as I said, we right now doing final consultation with lawyers. It also will be based back again, as usually, on your location, where you're from, because for US it's one rules, for China it's another rules, for MENA it's third rules, European Union a little bit different, so based on your location. But anyway, it will be public, it will be one rules, publish it once, but yes, seems like, yes, we have no limits with it. For now, at least. But as I said, we didn't publish something specific now, so we have only vision, design of the tokenomics, but until we will get final papers which will let us do the public offering, let's say, we just right now operating only in the NFT field, officially.
Thank you. Thank you. And I just want to remind that if you guys have question on your mind, you're able to write it anywhere. You can write the comment in the Twitter, you can write in our Telegram chat or in YouTube Live. So moving to the next question. What is the plan for the EON token listing? What's the conviction that it will go live this year?
No, this year, no. The plan, the good, no, the plan is the best. Okay, no plans, but the best time to do it, it will be March, April, somewhere May 2024. It's based on the crypto market situation. When we will do it, it will be only based on the lawyers and our roadmap of fundraising. That's it. But if someone will tell me here the money, I will list it somewhere, and here is all regulations done. It will be exact after next Bitcoin halving, next day. It will be listing, because it will be little drop after Bitcoin halving as usually, but then will be market growth and healthy market, good for projects and new tokens.
Thank you.
But
Thanks.
it's my vision. We will see what will be in the real life as soon as possible, but not earlier than.
Thank you. Okay, let's go to the next question. It's more about our bounty campaign from the last time. So, how does bounty program contribute to the overall growth and development of the platform?
Super easy answer. Regarding the social network, and AI is based on some matching, we need first users. It's always hard to start here. So bounty participants who have an understanding about this project worth it, we are happy to let them join and share some memorable or collectible something. We announce and connect to some events we have here, some releases, some news, something we would like just to give as medals, let's say, kind of medals or awards. Yeah, and it's important because if even, as I said, for us, first target market is the cities where the most amount of expats who would like to find some new connections because they just moved to these locations, like as I said, Dubai, like I don't know, Singapore, New York, I don't know, Thailand, Bali, for example, right? There's a lot of locations, but on such regions will be easier to start just because a lot of people looking for a lot of people for a lot of reasons and needs. And it will be nice to let them find the best match friends, connections, and everything they would like on these locations. But anyway, to start, we need some first target start audience. Plus, also, the plan is to ask our Bounty participants help us to test this AI through some pass some specific processes, because live testing is always different from the robot style, or where it's only a few, like let's say dozen team members, right? Internal. And then we will understand how and in which way we should to improve and grow with this AI matching system and understanding of your behavior, because it will be also a lot of generations of AI separated, like, I don't know, ChatGPT 1, 2, 3, 3.5, 4. You understand, I guess.
Thank you. Let's talk about a bit the future, about the future of the project. We have a couple of questions about the plans and the future. So, what is the purpose of this project for the future of many communities?
Interesting question. Can say that I guess we all understand that if you can use it to search someone, you can search not only one. And it's much more easier to find group of people to be around at some interesting topic or some idea or some fun activities or business, why not, some startups or charity projects. So it will be same easy as to find someone alone. Just, you will have the list, why not? You can create different kind of request and diverse, let's say, login to be joined to some green plant activity, why not? And you will be connected with the people who also have not only the need in green plant activity, but also based on your kind of thinking, way of talking. And I guess it will be much more easier to communicate and deliver better something, better results, better impact in your ideas, if it will be comfortable to talk and cooperate with the people you have community, right? So that's also, like, let's say, boost here, because you will create communities not only based on ideas, but also on the mindset. That's it. I, the truth is, I can't even predict the all global results which could be from the this innovation and world adoption usage. It's really hard to predict, because, as I think, it make super impact, for example, for all sales processes. Because right now, to sell something, you need to have lead generation managers, SDRs, BDM, closers, and a lot of people. Instead of all this group of people, you need just only final person to talk with already chosen, pre-designed, not sorry, pre-qualified partners, leads perhaps, to get the final deal, because everything also could be moved on this AI. What it means? It means the spendings, average spendings for the sales process, somewhere between, let's say, 5 to 15%, let's say 10. Just imagine all these products, services could be cheaper on 10%. But let's imagine it's kind of, I don't know, metal, I don't know, oil, yeah, just
Okay.
from the ground. But then from this oil, you can do some kind of plastic. From this plastic, you can do some another product, and you can put in this product blueberries to eat. Yeah, you have plastic box and you put blueberries. But to get these blueberries on the on the shelf on the store, there is about 5 or 7, I even can say right now. Let's imagine oil, then you have plastic. From plastic, you have this box. This box, you have to sell to someone who have blueberries, you should to put blueberries and deal with the supermarket, and only then so six resellers on the way. Just imagine 10%, or let's say five. Let's say five. From this 10, they will be able to save five, because it will be much easier to find uh, um, resellers, partners, buyers, and everything. So minus 30% at the end to the end client.
Wow.
Just because blueberries in supermarket will cost you 10 times less. But not forget, all these people should to buy also the car, or I don't know, the truck to put all these blueberries, bring it from forest, gasoline again, 5% on each stage, everywhere 5%. What will be the net price at the end of the blueberries? How much it will be cheaper? And it's not about blueberries. What about, I don't know, iPhone, for example? How many details here? How many
Actually, a lot.
people and how many resellers worked to bring this device workable? The net price will decrease again for everything, for all the products on the planet, if everyone will start to use this solution. It's only the question to make this world adoption, to bring people use it, nothing else. It's not something unreal. It's only hard to start, but then it's only the question: as much more people will have, as much easier it will be to find the best matching service provider, friends, communities, and groups. And the truth is that at the end, it impacts the value of everything, because you will need to release, produce something. You need minus one step of cold leads generation. And it means in each product, it's, let's say, 5% of net value worldwide in any product. But one product consists from another product, and competitive, all this, let's say, a lot of generation of factories was needed to do something where, yeah, all these products could decrease even 50%, I guess, in price, because it will be really cheaper for all these factories. Factories have interest rate. Let's say, I don't know, BMW. They have 5%, 7% year net profit from the business. But to create the car, you need tires, you need engine, you need metal, you need a lot of everything. But from this, all this pipe, from each piece of pipe, they will have 5% reduce. You understand?
Wow.
And all these resellers will sell 5% cheaper. What will be the at the end? BMW at the end have interest 7%. It doesn't matter what was the initial price of the resources they used. So if resources will be cheaper, what will be true? Everything becomes cheaper, just because they still will have 7% interest. But to be competitive, people, because yeah, you can say that they will leave the price as it was and earn another 5%. No, because someone will start to dumping the market, and someone will be the first one who will say, okay, I have right now another extra 7%, but I'm ready to work as it was before, and just make price lower. That's it. That's the real impact of the Eon tribe.
Sounds like we're planning to conquer the world.
Not really. We just make everything more transparent, result oriented, and without the need to spend so much time just to talk and understand how to work with whom, or connect with people.
Yeah, that's true. So moving to the next question, guys. I just want to remind that we're having last three questions now, and then yep.
Sorry, I have only like 8 minutes, seven.
Oh, okay,
So
okay. So
it could be
guys,
the questions, but I will answer fast.
great, great. So the next one. What is the plan of Eontribe for the next 2 years?
Sorry, but I already answered for this question in the first answer. The next plan is to release, as I said, a social network, AI, connect all kind of NFTs inside, let people to connect third-party application. You will have your own Web3 wallet connected to everything and all the balances to it. It will be not ours, it will be decentralized. Then second point, it's 3D AI avatars, full HD realistic quality, when you can scan with your device, your face, and then the camera will capture only your emotions, and your 3D avatar will do the same for video calls. So yeah, and also environment places, also I don't know different games inside. And third answer, third stage, it's new blockchain with specially designed storage inside the blockchain to store NFT inside the blockchain, but not outside as it's everywhere right now.
Great. Guys, all the information can be found in the Eontribe's roadmap. You can see all the stages, all the important, we can say, highlights and insights in our documentation. So check it out. All the links are pinned. Moving to the next question. Can I create my NFTs in Eontribe?
Yes, we will create smart contracts generators. Most of them will be for free. I guess all kind of smart contracts will be available for free. I mean, like from our side, we will not charge for it. But anyway, you will charge some commission. Will be charged by blockchain while will you deploy this NFTs. We will all, I guess, we will also will not create any limits what kind of blockchain you would like to use. Anyway, we will not add all of them from the day one, but it will be no limits. We will bring most five top blockchains available for everyone. If you would like to have it in Ethereum or I don't know, Polygon or Binance Smart Chain or the last one, today coin growth a bit from FTX.
No.
FTX right now dead, but the blockchain and coin back live again. Anyway, it will be the most popular blockchains designed to create NFTs, and we will create special solutions which will let you use them to create the smart contract without, programming. Kind of, I don't know, OpenSea have right now, but we will try to spread it, and we will not add extra commission for this. What else? What was the question? My NFT. Yeah, so you will be able to create your NFT, but not only just create, but you also will be able to join, for example, if you have some skins in Counter-Strike, you will be able to join this particular skin on third-party store to the NFT and connect exact number of the skin with NFT, and then you will be able to join some knowledge about who was the owner of the NFT, or for example, this NFT was used for some headshot on the final tournament from the, and the skin price is $5. But if this skin was on the AK-47 of some professional player, and the skin was the game point for the all worldwide tournament. Anyway, a lot of people will have an interest to buy it more than for $5. Right now, it's impossible, but you will be able to join the skin to the NFT, mint NFT, if you are the owner of this skin, and use it for kind of marketing, trades, up to you. Or just store and publish to show that you are the owner of so memorable asset.
Thank you. Thanks. And the last question for today, but not the least, ambassadors play a very important role in every project. Do you have do Eontribe have an ambassador program? If yes, share it with us.
I guess we have 100%.
We have.
So, Anna, please share the ambassador program details with the people who have no idea where to find it.
Guys,
It's normal that we have a lot of information everywhere. So yeah, guys, don't be shy. We have admin everywhere. I guess. I hope. I'm sure. So you can chat with them, ask everything you would like to have, and I'm pretty sure they should to help you. If not, my contacts are public. You have my LinkedIn, you have my Telegram at least. I'm not using too much, but I use Telegram. I mean, like a lot of social networks, you can write directly. And if it's something where there is a need from my side, I will be not far away to solve your question, at least next, I don't know, half year at minimum. Then I will provide you some special um, team which will work with clients to satisfy them, solve any problems, questions. But right now we are, try to save money and invest it only in development and marketing. I mean, like marketing, sales, right, and legal processes. So we right now save money from such activities because it's not core activity for now.
You're always welcome to join Eontribe. Like QR code is there somewhere. So QR code is there. You just simply scan it, join Eontribe, sign up for our platform, and go to the ambassador tab. You will see all the information there. In case you didn't find anything, please join our support group. You will find all the information. Our admins are there, and they will always help you with any issue you have. So right now we have to say to Vladimir goodbye since he has only 40 seconds left. Thanks a lot for your time. Thank you for your answers. And
See you next week.
yeah, we would like to see you next week. So
Thanks, guys. Have a
thanks
nice
a lot.
weekends, Friday, and see you soon.
Bye bye.